We know that many people who want to build a GPT don't know how to code. We've made it so that you can program a GPT just by having a conversation.
ChatGPT is impressive, but have you tried its custom GPTs? I've gone on a deep dive testing every GPT available, and today I will share the top GPTs that stood out as the best of the best. These aren't just upgrades, they're your ticket to next level productivity and creativity. Now, you might be wondering how to find these custom GPTs, especially since OpenAI hasn't released a dedicated GPT store yet. There are a couple of tricks I've discovered, and not many people are talking about these methods. The first one involves a bit of URL magic. You can try typing this specific URL and then add the name of the GPT you're looking for at the end. However, this method can be hit or miss. But don't worry, there's an easier way. I found this website called gptshunter.com. It's a game changer. This site makes it super simple to find various GPTs, including some you might never have heard of. Just visit the website and you'll see what I mean. For those who don't know, GPTs are a new way for anyone to create a tailored version of ChatGPT to be more helpful in their daily life, at specific tasks, at work or at home, like the negotiator. Negotiation is a very useful skill, whether you are offering or being offered, and the negotiator is a custom GPT that will be your coach to improve this skill. It can role-play negotiations with you and also give you pointers for the best tactics depending on the scenario. You can now build a fully functional website in a matter of seconds with Designer GPT. Text to design is one thing, but text to website takes it to a whole new level. With a single prompt, you can have a website and then modify it to your taste from there. The next GPT brings more than 200 million research papers to your fingertips. University students can save themselves from hours of work with this search engine. You can easily input the prompt for the paper you are trying to write, and it will pull up links to the best matching papers. You could also use it to write the introduction to your paper if you're having a bit of writer's block. And speaking of writers, check out number 19. This tool could easily become a writer's best friend. This GPT can come up with intros, descriptions, and full-on articles. The best part is that the content will be properly optimized with keywords for search engine effectiveness. You can have Blog Expert do all the heavy lifting for you and edit to your style and preference afterward. Are you job searching? Well, you do not have to do it without guidance. You give the interview wizard GPT information like your resume, the role you're applying for, and the job description, and then add a prompt. It can help you learn the kind of questions you will be asked and how best to answer them. It is also equipped to help you optimize your resume and application for specific roles. Remember all those online converter websites? Well, this next GPT is a total game changer. It's a simple yet powerful file format converter. Need to change a PDF into a JPG? Or switch a Word document to an Excel sheet? How about turning a GIF into an MP4 video? This tool makes it all a breeze. And for university students, pay special attention to number 16 on our list. It's a real time saver. Remember the hassle of dealing with PDFs? Well, AI PDF is about to change that. This tool lets you upload PDFs directly to ChatGPT and interact with them as if you're having a chat. Now, you might be thinking, doesn't ChatGPT already do this? True, ChatGPT does have this feature and there are other plugins too. But here's where AI PDF stands out. It allows unlimited document uploads, breaking free from ChatGPT's 10-file limit. Plus, it offers convenient storage on their website, meaning you won't have to upload the same document over and over again. Launching products can be a pretty complicated process, and so most people have to spend thousands of dollars hiring coaches for help. Well, you do not have to, thanks to Craftful. The developers of this custom GPT claim that it offers about the same things that you would get from $1,000 gurus. Simply type a prompt stating the kind of product or company you intend to launch, and Craftful will dispense a full step-by-step breakdown of everything from your research to development and deployment. And speaking of a custom GPT that does everything, this next custom GPT does it all. Coming in at number 14, we have Sparkle, a storybook maker. Just like its name suggests, Sparkle is the perfect companion for crafting and publishing your personal storybook. Its meticulous attention to ensuring your story aligns perfectly with your vision at every step. Want to infuse some personal flair? The AI is ready to incorporate your creative inputs seamlessly. That's not all. Sparkle even helps identify your book's target audience. And for those creating children's books, it uses DALL-E to generate captivating images. Number 13 brings us Trends GPT, a tool that's as straightforward and powerful as its name suggests. This custom GPT acts like your personal trend hunter, scouring the internet for the latest and greatest in various categories. Whether you're curious about the newest happenings in tech, fashion, or any other field, Trends GPT has you covered. Just ask, and it delivers a comprehensive list complete with photos. Number 12 is a really fun one for people who travel a lot. Finding the best places to live or visit is just one prompt away with Nomad GPT. You can filter your search results to prioritize criteria like weather or affordability, and it will produce results based on that filter. We have got something for everyone in this video, and traders are not left out of the party either. An important part of trading assets is spotting market trends, and you now have a great GPT that covers that for you. You can just go to your preferred chart, mark indicators that you want to prioritize, take a screenshot, and upload it to Market Analyst. The AI will now give a breakdown of the chart and conclude with the general trend of the asset. Next up is X-Optimizer GPT. Once you feed the optimizer with data from your account, it will analyze all the data for you to know the best time to post and everything in between. You can also paste your intended post, and it will rate it and suggest edits for the best delivery on X. If you need a tutor for schoolwork, Mr. Rainier is a pretty amazing tool. When you give this GPT a prompt containing what you're trying to learn, it does not just scrub definitions off the internet. Like a true tutor, it does a proper breakdown of everything you need to learn about the topic. Both the prerequisites that are important to the topic and all the subtopics that make up the course. It is pretty much a university curriculum in one tap. One more tool that makes learning a breeze is AI GPT. AI skills are increasingly becoming in demand, so learning one or two could go a long way, and that is exactly what AI GPT does. It will serve as your personal AI tutor and teach you everything you need to know to leverage the technology. Flashcards are one of the best ways to memorize things, and Anki Wizard is a custom GPT that you can easily use to make some. All you need to do is input a prompt for the flashcards you are trying to create. This could come in very handy when you are in a foreign country and need to learn common phrases. This could be a phenomenal tool for students, but what we have in number 6 is bound to blow your mind. Canva has made waves for years for the ease that it offers non-professional designers who need simple designs, and it has gotten even easier. Canva has integrated custom GPT into its system for text to design. This GPT is ranked higher than GPTs created by OpenAI. Just type a prompt and it will produce a design that you can start editing or use as it is. They call this a coding wizard, and it does not live short of this name. Grimoire is prompt programming at its peak, as you can even specify the exact languages that you want to use to build the website. You can create your website with a screenshot, or with some presets you can access with hotkeys, or even with a paper sketch. Imagine going from a paper sketch to a complete website. Amazing! Once again, if you want to spend less time coming up with your own lists and you want to be able to access them outside of ChatGPT, this is it. The good thing here is that babyagi.txt will export your list as a TXT file that you can open easily. As a bonus, if you would prefer another format, you could always download the TXT format and convert it to your preferred format with Convert Anything GPT. If you always struggle with knowing what to cook or how to cook it, you are going to love this custom GPT. In summary, Healthy Chef is a recipe creator, but with a spin on it. To use this GPT, just upload a photo of the available ingredients and ask the GPT what you can cook with them. It will offer you options based on the ingredients, the recipes, and visual representations. You can also be very specific about our dietary or nutritional needs with this, which is very important. Now, if you found that interesting, you want to stick around because it gets so much better. Getting AI to sound lifelike has been one of the greatest hurdles to scale over time, but OpenAI seems to have finally cracked it with its latest text-to-speech model. You can run different audio styles and voices, and if you want, you can have an HD version. OpenAI's GPT-4 vision is possibly the greatest image search system. Once you have this API, you can screenshot quite literally any image, and it will tell you what you have highlighted alongside context. In practice, this is an absolutely life-changing visual learning tool. That's a wrap on the 23 must-have custom GPTs. Each one is a key to unlock new levels of efficiency and creativity. Don't just take my word for it, try them out and see the magic for yourself. And if you're eager for more tech insights and AI wonders, make sure to check out our next video. See you there.